Hey guys, may sunod sa akin, oh. Ano tayo guys? Magre-rate tayo ng ng outfits. Rate nyo yung outfit ko guys. Ito yung 1. Ayan yung 1 guys. Ito yung 2, may version. Tas, ayan ulit eh. Bakit? Wala na. 7. 20. Ayun si Rumi. I'm done hiding now, I'm shining. And then si Mira. Si Zoe, di pantay yung ngipin. Ayan guys, di pantay yung ngipin eh. Uy, tumuli ka nga. Ayan. Yung pala yun. Excuse po, ito yun. And then 13. Then this. Yan is school. Okay, empty slot. Empty. 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 Yan. Yan siya guys. Cute Super duper cute. And then yan. Yung bacon naman kasi. Excuse naman po. Bigyan niyo naman po ako ng strawberries. Okay? 23 naman. Ayan. Hala. May blush pala to.
The moon is round, as round can be. 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth, like me. Where are your eyes?
Okay, and then last. Yan.
Where's your nose? Boop. And there it is.
Ayusin ko.
We found our noses. Where is your mouth?
Bye.
Right here. Good
Bye
job.
guys. Rate nyo na lang ha. Rate na lang ninyo. Kalbo pa ako dito guys. So, bye.